Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Husky Trading Pit, part of TraderMakers.com. I'm Jerry Renault. It is just shy of 9:30 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, January 9th, 2015. We're going to be recording this live session of our live trading room today. And we're going to show you how we use a very simple set of tools to produce fantastic results trading the futures market. And this is what we do every morning here as part of our daily activities at TraderMakers.com, and also part of our day trading signature course that we offer on our website. So we're going to be recording this session as we trade live with a live attendees, live audience here in the room. So please, everybody that's coming into the room right now, if you could please give me a go or no go on sound and picture, I appreciate it. And we're going to be trading one of my favorite instruments to trade in the mornings, which is the E-mini Russell 2000, ticker symbol TF. And we are on the March 15 contract, 0315. A decent amount of volume for the morning. Volatility is picking up as this 2015 starts. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how a very simple set of tools, along with a very simple methodology to only take trend following trades, can produce fantastic results in just a few minutes every morning. So we're getting ready to hit the opening bell. There it is. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Husky Trading Pit. Today is January 9th, 2015. We're going to be putting those links, TraderMakers.com, and the link to our blog where we log every trade room session. All the results, all the timestamp trades go on our blog for you to follow, for you to keep an eye on. And it is called followthehusky.blogspot.com. I'll be putting those links up at the end of this session. We're not going to be editing anything. It's all live. It's all going to be, you're going to be seeing it as it happens. So I'm going to grab my cursor and I'm going to start just first by looking at the volume. We just exceeded 10,000 contracts. We're going to do some very basic primary technical analysis here to see where our ranges are. And we're getting ready for a breakout here, and this is one of my favorite trades. So let's see if this will actually give us what I'm expecting. We're going to be trading position sizes. Position size wise, we're going to be trading two contracts. Just small, everything under control, a fair amount of risk so that every trader following us feels comfortable with the amount of risk that we trade, because it doesn't get any easier and any lower than 1 and 2 contracts. And again, this is just a word of caution, folks, for all you folks out there trying to follow a trading room or a trading methodology. Lots of traders out there, lots of educators, lots of moderators. You know, they're doing good things. They're trying to explain to people how to trade proficiently and consistently. But the problem is that they're taking on too much risk. So you know, any room or any methodology that is using, you know, position sizes of 5 lots or more, that's really a lot of risk. It's really a lot of risk. Futures are commodity leveraged instruments, so anything above 5 contracts, it's really a lot of risk. You know, if that thing goes, if that particular instrument goes just 2, 3, 5 ticks against you with 5 contracts, you could be losing, you know, $300-400 in a heartbeat. So you gotta be very careful there. That's why we only use 1 and 2 contracts here in our room, to give everybody a fair opportunity to follow comfortably and to feel comfortable with the risk. Only then you can, you know, start feeling, you know, comfortable as far as putting your own trades. All right. So let's take a look at that volume. Market's really not moving much. We're just finally breaking out of here. We're going to take our breakout trade underneath 89.2. By the way, this is one of my favorite setups because when price, volume, and momentum all line up together, just like you're seeing it right here in my chart, it is really easy to follow. And like I said before, just a simple methodology with a simple set of tools. When everything lines up, everything we do here is very mechanical, non-discretionary. When the trades show up, we fire. And that leads to good results in stress-free trading. I never trade for more than an hour every day. As a matter of fact, I advocate trading for short periods of time so that you can focus and maintain yourself fully concentrated on what you're doing. Right now the market seems to be a little slow for a Friday morning. I need my coffee to kick in, otherwise I'm going to fall asleep here, but you know, that happens. So the market has decided not to actually break down but retract and continue to be a little sideways. So while the market continues to be on this initial range, I'm just not going to touch it. I'm not going to do anything about it. All right, but now it's decided to come down. So I'm going to draw my lines and maintain my point. And underneath right here, 88.8, I'm going to take a short. 88.9, 88.8.
Order pending.
This is where I'm going to take a short. And
Order
as you can see,
filled.
I always call my trades in advance. My risk is defined by my strategy, by my automated strategy. I have two targets on my two contracts. Once I hit my first target, my stop will come to automatically break even, which is one of the money management techniques that I teach. And again, stress-free trading, just give it some patience, give it some time, let the trade work. Okay, that's target 1. And hopefully it'll go to target 2 without stopping me out here. Remember, folks, my basic formula, price, volume, and momentum all going on the same direction at the same time, it really does produce great results. You just have to know exactly how to find it and how to use it. We're almost at the second target there. Oh, there you go. Come on, drop a little more.
Target filled.
There you go. All right, wonderful trade. Wonderful trade for 1 and 2 targets. 2-to-1 risk to reward, beautifully achieved. Very good. And that's it is now 9:35. We're close to it. Yeah, we've been trading for 5 minutes, just watching the market for 5 minutes. We already have a positive trade under our wing. Oh, look at all that selling pressure coming up. All right, so as the market puts on a new low, we're going to follow the trend, right? So we're going to follow the trend once again with price, volume, and momentum. We're going to draw some basic lines. And we're going to expect the market to retrace a bit and try to sell it again as we go with the trend. All right, so we're going to... I need the market to retrace a little more. And once again, all these setups I teach on my course, Day Trading Signature Course, Trader Maker by Trader Makers, where we disclose all the guidelines of all setups, entry, exit, money management rules, which is really very important. A lot of folks concentrate on learning how to enter, but knowing how to exit. So, all right, here we go. Here's another trade. 87.0, 86.9. I'm going to shoot at 86.9. 87.0.
Order pending. Order filled.
There we go. So I'm short at 87.0. Once again, 2 targets. And just let your trade work. The market should do what it's supposed to do and come down from here.
Stop filled.
Oh, ouch. Or maybe not. Well, you know, again, this is live trading, folks. This is live trading, and losing trades are part of the game. So let's keep this realistic. Okay, we got a loser and a winner. So this is live trading. We are gonna just continue to follow our rules and continue to play the setups as they develop. So right now we are, thanks to our 2-to-1 trade before, we are just slightly up money. We're up just let's see, let me bring the dome here and see if we can see that. All right, we're up $30. So not a whole lot, but we're up money. All right, now our things have shifted to the other side. We're ready to take a long here, 88.5, 88.6.
Order pending. Order filled.
I'm going to go long at 88.6. I actually got a fill at 88.7. Once again, 2 targets. The market decided it didn't want to go any lower, but wanted to go higher. Again, all my indicators are pointing higher. There you go. There's my first target. My stop is automatically set to break even.
Target filled.
And I got another 2 target trade. Very good. Fantastic. All right, so we're up $170. And as this trend continues to develop further, we're going to go ahead and take another trade again. 89.5, 89.6.
Order pending.
We're going to go at 89.6. Long 89.6. Well, I'm actually going to grab it lower now that I have a chance for it. 89.2, 89.3. So let's put it there, 89.3, 89.2. And this is how I work my orders every day so that folks have a chance to follow. I call my trades in advance. As you can see, they display on the chart. Everything
order filled
for your benefit, and there's another fill there. And all we need to do is let the market show us the way by means of there you go, following the price, the volume, and the momentum all together. When you do this, you're going to experience a very high ratio of winners.
Target filled.
And there's another 2 target trade, and that's enough to finish our day. It is just very close to 9:45 here, just less than 15 minutes total trading time. And let's take a look at our dome. And these are exactly the results that we achieve most days here in our room, and that you could be achieving as well once you understand what are the factors and the energies that affect the markets, that matter the most, and when you learn to have a disciplined approach to trading. That's what defines trader makers, and that's what we do best. We've been coaching traders for many, many years, and our record of timestamp trades, which we would love to have you visit. It's called Follow the Husky jerryrenault.blogspot.com. And the results from today are going to go immediately after this session on the blog, and you can just scroll down and go back to see every day with timestamp in a timestamp fashion. And our record of trades is over 4.5, coming close to 5 years old. And don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or comments that you may have. And since we are again on target, what we're going to do is I'm going to stop the recording. We're going to be posting this later this evening on our website and our social media outlets, and we look forward to hearing from you. We're going to stay here in the room with the live attendees to do some more analysis on this charts and to maybe call a couple of extra trades, answer some questions. Please don't hesitate to contact us. I'm Jerry Renault with Trader Makers. That was 15 minutes total trading time this morning for a nice profit of $320. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and happy trading. Thanks for looking. Bye for now.